Our sister Abby and family, she don't come outside. Abby and family don't come outside, don't reply the love when she drop. She don't explain the reason why she drop love. Many of us, no be me, I no attack her. Yes, I no attack her. She get right to do whatever she want to do. You get right to do whatever you want to do. For me, I no attack her. But those people who they attack her, Abby and family, she don't come outside now and say she deny Tinubu. Yes, Bona Tinubu. She deny and say if family no vote for Bona Tinubu and those reactors when they give a strong title, she just talk those things, She explained herself, say, sometimes she go, if you never watch and go and watch it. She said sometimes when she go some platform and she need to drop her fingerprint to tell that person, say, I dey support you, she go drop love. No be love, say, she love wetin that person do. You know, she don't come outside, just clear that hair. For me, for that part, I can say it's true. Many of us, when we be social media, when we get YouTube, when we get sometimes we want support somebody, want support our person, want support our, for her to know, say, I'm still here. She can drop love. We they drop love. For him, for her, or he to know, say, I come your channel or I come your platform, can't show you love. He go drop something, whether hand, love, any symbol of YouTube, we they do, and no be Abby and family starter. Yes, she says sometimes they go, that's in our brothers and Bob Wister. She dey go there, she measure am o, she go there, she go still drop love. People go dey say, Abby, you don't drop love. Abby, you don't drop love. She said she dey always dey drop love. If you know her for comment section, you go know say she na love dropper. My beautiful sister, now this one I dey try to let people know, no be say I no like Obi. Thank God Obi result go come outside now around 11, Abi. Obi result go come outside. God give us, let's take it, okay? Why me they say vote wisely? Why me they say make them not collect bribe? Now all those babas now that they bribe. But if you now look how this election be, Buhari 2019, what did I say? Make bring come outside. This mention that say vote, so e no gree bring am come outside. But he make sure say outside money dry. Now all those things that Buhari do. Buhari no want say make money dey outside. Buhari for me as I dey see Buhari want make this president still go north, and e not supposed to be like that. Not be only north dey Nigeria. Now they see am. But for me, I know dey against a vote for Tinubu, a vote for Obi, Peter Obi, a vote for Atiku. I know dey against. I know dey that one. No sell your vote. It tell you say which person when you want vote for am. Who no dey give money no be Obi. If na start to dey watch my video, no sell your vote. No sell your vote. The one when God no say go favor us, may God carry that to na hand. Go take vote for that person. No can collect bribe. I no fit tell you say no collect money. Collect money, but go and vote the right person. How the want to support person reach? That one and that one. Abi don finally come out now. Tell una say her own papa, her own family, na Obi, na they vote for. Okay, I think I wait till I want hear. I think I don't hear am from Abby. Abby, my sister, come here. Your parents, your family, now Obi they vote for. Yoruba, Bola, Tinubu, you deny am. Your family deny am for vote. Where anything can happen. No beside they doubt you. Now wait till my people want hear. Many of our social media noise maker. Now wait till they want hear. Because you get Obi people, you get Bola Tinubu people, you get all people for your social media platform. But you know, say now Obi people, but it hot. That is why you go deny Bola Tinubu. My sister, it's true your parents vote for Bola Tinubu like me. Now somebody will come, they say na lie, say my people not vote for Obi. Now people fit see the doubt am. My own in-law say for Abuja now Obi they vote for last night. You don't even sleep. They panic. My God, they say sleep. You don't do your best. Leave the rest for God to judge. Waiting one kill ourselves for line. Those people when read they inside when they wear the shoe. Now they know where the shoe for the payday. And now they know the right person. Not be me. Who I not travel out of Nigeria for decades. Not be 10 years. Not be 5 years. Not be 7 years. No be why I don't take come out for Nigeria. Wetin I dey hear na phone I for the hear am. Hey. Like that when my mama tell me say my daughter no fit collect money for bank o. Hungry o. That day I cry. All those things we dey hear. But me and you no fit dey our platform. They engineer a fight. They engineer things where you now know say it fit cause anything for Nigeria. If Nigeria not dey peaceful, it go affect you. It go affect me. Why we dey apply this one? Say let peace reign. Let God. I no fit use this my social media because Bola Tinubu get your squad. That might say that man don't old. He don't get your squad. Your squad not they make noise like this again. Why people they make noise for Obi? Now make me they always they use show worry as an example. Show worry 4 years ago. I be 5 years ago. I don't remember. This is how people make noise. I believe say show worry noise. He engineer people, youth to verse come aside and know they are right. Yes. But this Peter Obio now say as show worry come out 4 years ago. Peter Obio now he carry weight. Many people, you they see e carry weight. At least the election dey drag am. My advice go like this: don't ever lose hope. Whether Peter Obi win, whether Peter Obi no win, don't ever lose hope. Keep pushing till we vote those our babas comot. No be say only this one we don tire. And I make a video when this lady, if na curse I curse her now, many of you hate her, you love her, that go dey there. Ooh, Sandra, I make video about her. Wetin she talk? Say no be say the man go still, because I dey see many people now. Some people no even get respect for their elder. They don't even get respect for their mama when even put them for womb. Get respect for their papa when give the mama the pregnancy, make they carry. They don't even get respect. That they insult anybody. That they insult their elderly now because of say vote. Make this man not still go there. Una pressure. Now still they use that, they push am, they push am, they push am. I think Abi don't come out and I don't deny Bola Tinubu. I think now the class. I think now that one I want here. Abia, online noise maker. That's why I call people online noise maker. Let people free. Let people do what they want to do. Wetin Abi and family talk. He said no be today he travel, he come out for Nigeria. That is true. No be today he travel, come out for Nigeria. How she want to say now this one they want vote for? No be this one they want vote for. How she want to do one? Now wetin she talk? No be today she travel come out for Africa. Now wetin parents want do? Now wetin now we online because say mommy, daddy, this one, the one where they go follow, now they go follow. The one where they no follow. You know carry cake come beat your parents. You know carry cake come beat people when you they try to cover. They no gree go say oh when time reach now they inside. Oh now me and you they inside. As now the engineer, if something can really happen, wait till now want talk. And now many of us when they this abroad, now many of us the engineer those killing when they happen for Africa. Mostly Nigeria, my country. Now people abroad. I watched this my ex sister when she blast people. When she say now they abroad, now they social media, now they make noise. Now say many people not come out to vote. If people not come out to vote, who go vote? I don't forget her name. That lady, she gets sense. Start following her. That lady, I don't forget her name. She gets sense. She's wise. He said, "Una dey abroad, now they engineer the killing. Papa go farm them now paya. Mama go market now paya. Students go school now go paya. With your social media noise maker, the abroad noise maker. Imagine, Abi don't come out and tell una say, na Bola Tinubu, the denier. That is Obi, na parents vote for, na family vote for. Take am or you leave am. Take am or go knock your head for where you want knock your head. Stop insulting people. Stop insulting people. Let people be. As you they say, Obi, no be so another person see am. I pray make them win. Who win at all? I'm happy. I'm happy for them. We dey inside. I think they say the rich they cry, the poor they cry, the average they cry. Don't be not supposed to tell them they see what they want to. They don't already know what they want to. Let's stop deceiving ourselves. Let's stop making noise or online. I they call the noise maker. Noise maker. The time of show what night they see this social media finish. Noise maker. Just sit down, they make noise. Abi don't tell Nana say because no one he say one of his subscriber it mean a lot to him. One subscriber say it mean a lot to him. He said now this social media now she take the feed. I beg say maybe you not unsubscribe now because she get all kind of people for her social media. She look and say Bola Tinubu people body not the odd, but Obi Peter Obi people body they hot. That's why I come outside, come declare say now Obi now Peter Obi now she they vote for. Before our stars come outside, they are Peter, they are P Square. They don't ever come out before. Before Shoma Shikuka, before those people, the wise woman when come outside. Now as I see the talk so, Mama G, I'll break a video come for now. He said, I wish all the candidates, the wise person, that's why they act. I wish all the candidates, if you be social media person now, you're not supposed to say, now this one they join, now this one. Go and watch that elderly person. If he's senior your mama, if he be a grandchild, go watch her. But she know who she want vote for. She know be fool. Mama G for general patient. She know who she want vote for. Go watch what she talk. Let's call a space a space. Let's stop making noise. You just say that woman she not get love. She not get fans. She get fans. But she do like this. She do like this. They are whiskey. They not get who they want vote for. They are what they call them? Those stars. They get who they want vote for. But they shut up. Who decide to make it noisily? We leave them. We they wash. Not because of say person not make noise. You they attack them. Calm down. Do this normal. We are wisdom people. Where people when get sense. Where they for generation. I'm not sure say you ever reach there. You get sense past Mama G. Patient Uzoku, something like that. Don't forget her name. You get sense vision. Go to her platform and see how she take do. Those are the people you supposed to dey look. You go say, okay, when you dey insult, now stop insult. Now don't make our sister tell una now say e parents leave Bola Tinubu go vote for Peter Obi. I think na that one I wan hear. And my sister, Abiandfamily, please, I want to still use this opportunity to talk to you for about our thumbnail. I beg. As you say, you dey reverse anything when you don't understand back to the sender. E good. You feel reverse and back to the sender. But you know, say that person not mean back to you. Now just clickbait. Now just thumbnail. He wants people to click. Okay, you will feel reverse and back, but no before bad, no before hate. That person, she or he no hates you. I don't even know the person when you talk. She not hate you. Now just do thumbnail. You now social media now. You be content creator. Okay, she not mean anything bad, but as you say, you reverse it back. Yes, you reverse it back in your own heart. But that person, I can say she not mean anything. I just thumbnail. Abby, you don't receive me. I not measure she not the measure. That person don't receive a strange bullet. She just, I think you see her now. I wish she put her now say, hey, this person, oh, be they do well now. Hey, oh God, glory. Nobody go wash her. Nobody go click her. And put that thing. Now many people start to touch and then they screenshot her for you. You don't see people in this social media now bad thing. Now they like bad thing. Now they like. Before I forget this one, our sister Editorial, she go vote now. She use her platform to make noise. She don't make noise, but she gently go vote. She go vote. Now not see her when she go vote with her husband. Her husband first go. Now where her brain reach? But Nello carry her and say, no, I will use my platform with you. Everybody not be you. Everybody not be me. That's why they say, let people do what they want to do. My people, this my video don't too long. I'll see you in my next video. Abi don finally come and say, she, now Obi, her family vote for. Okay? And our sister, when you vote, she not make noise. 2 million plus. What they call her Editorial. She go there, go vote. She know what she want to. She know who she want. She and her family. Those are the people that want, they really need something. Then we stop to they attack people. No, they insult people, parents. If you see some those people and children, she go let you look their face. So because also you get one like she's not let person hear words. So because you sit down for social media, make noise. What is this? We call a space, so hold your side. Make everybody hold their side. Stop insulting people, Papa. A lot of people they pass through suffer. See be this. I'll see my next